I like to keep my designs flexible, so it doesn't bother me that the text moves as the user stretches out the web browser. But I'll tell you what I don't like: when you keep on going closer and closer, it just now, I mean, this really breaks things down. So what I'm thinking is I need to define a minimum width that gets to the point that if the user keeps on squishing it like this, eventually it's just going to stop squishing and a horizontal scroll bar is going to happen. Um, so the property to do that is minimum width, or min dash width. And I should define it when I look over back at my grid over here, my wireframe of it. I think I'll define it for for container. So going into Dreamweaver, I'll go into my style sheet, and in container, right underneath padding, I'm going to start putting in min, and then there we go. I see, you see how the options are there already. And if I go down, hit once, down arrow once, and hit return, it just fills it in. And no, I don't want it inherent. I want to define it in pixels. So let's try 440 pixels, and I'll save it. And let's see what the result is. As I squeeze it, okay, that looks pretty good. So it gets to the point now where it's just not going to squish it anymore. The horizontal bar is going to come out. No, you never want the horizontal bar, but at the same time, I'm trying to be as flexible as I can with the visitor, but I also want my design to maintain some integrity. So I think that's good. I think that's a keeper.